Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss the 41st question of database management system. Let's see the question. Here's the question set 41. In the first question, we have to write the relational algebra query. So in this question set, we have to use relational algebra query to answer those four questions. So because of that, I'm going to use PowerPoint slides to discuss those four questions. So let's see. Here's the first question of question set 41. In this question, we have to write a relational algebra query to change the stock table to inventory. So in the first question, we have to use algebra query, relational algebra query the condition is we have to change the stock table, we have to change the name of the table stock to inventory. So let's see. Here's the answer. So we can use this symbol, the letter row. We can use the letter row to rename. That means to rename a table, we can use this symbol, the row. This is the rename operator. By using this operator, we can rename a name or a column name or a table name into another name. So in this question, we have to change the name of stock table into the inventory. So here's the answer for the first question. Here's the second question. In the second question also, we have to use relational algebra query, and in the question we have to change the column names of the table, username table. We have to change the column names of the username table to and the column names are user type ID. We have to change the column name user type ID to type ID and the user type name to type name. So here also we have to change the names of a given table. So for that we can use this rename operator. This row, the letter row, we can use this letter row to rename the column name. So here we have to rename the columns in user type table, and here are the names, new names. So the first one is we have to change the particular column into type ID and the type name. So here are the new name, and by using this operator we can rename a given a particular condition. Here's the third question. In the third question, the brand table is used to store product brands. You need to change the name of the table to product brand. In the columns of that table, you need to change the name of the column called brand ID to BID and the name of the column called brand name to BName. So here's the third question. In the third question, we have to rename the column names and also we have to rename the table name to product brand. So for that also we can use the rename operator, this symbol, the letter row. So you can see. So this is the operator. We use rename operator to rename the names, but in the question we have to rename both table name and the column names. So first I have with the column names. First I have changed the column names BID and name, and also here I have changed the table name within brackets. So here within brackets I have applied the column names, and here's the table name, the new table name and the new column names, and here's the relation. That means here's our table that we are going to rename those table names and the column names. Here's the relation or the table we are using. So here's the answer for the third question. In the fourth question, there's a table called GRN item to store the selling price of the product, the price at which the product was purchased, and the quantity of the product. You need to separate the columns product ID, quantity, then unit price, selling price from that table. The names of the columns in that table should be changed in this way. The column called product ID needs to be PID, the quantity column as P quantity, the unit price as P unit price, and the selling price as P selling price. So here in the fourth question, first we have to select the column names of GRN item table. After that, we have to change the name. That means we have to rename those selected columns. So first we have to select the columns that we are going to rename. After that, we have to use the rename operator. To select the columns, we can use the projection operator. That means the letter pi. By using the letter pi or the projection operator, we can select particular columns. So by using this projection operator, first I have selected the product ID column, unit and unit price, quantity, and the selling price columns. After selecting those columns, I have used the rename operator to change the column names. So here are the new names given in the question, and we have to do this in the GRN item table. Here's the relation. That means here's the table name. So here's the answer for the fourth question. So today I have discussed the question set 41. So thank you everyone for listening.